Hello children, how are you? Hope so you're well and staying at home. I think you are maintaining social distancing before starting every day the video. I'm telling today it is the next part of the video, chapter 4 climate, class 9 children. Today is my video for class 9. Okay children, so we will not waste the time. We'll start the video, right? Acha. Today children I will going to teach you the Indian monsoon. Okay, the Indian monsoon children, because this video I have to tell you so many information, so that's why I have not done other type of video, right? Indian monsoon children, your NCERT book you have to just check it. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds children. The sailors who come to India in historic times are one of the first have noticed the phenomena of monsoon. Children, first time who has noticed this type of monsoon and climate? Only the sailor. Sailor means those who are the merchants moving one country to another country. They first noticed that of Indian monsoon. Okay, they benefited from the reversal of the wind system, and they come by sailing ships at the mercy of winds. This type of winds are help the ships to move one place to another place, and it is also getting back, right? The Arabs who had also come to India and trade something, the seasonal reversal of the wind system, it's called monsoon. Monsoon is the Arabian word. Arabian word monsoon means the reversal of the wind. Okay. Now I will tell you a basic idea regarding monsoon children. Yeah, I think children you are knowing that what is land bridge and what is sea bridge. Why I am telling? Because monsoon wind has been just mentioned, or it has been saying that the greater extent of land and water body differentiate in the heating of land and water bodies are just only accustoms of this type of origin of the monsoon children. Okay, what is happening that time? Why it is happening? Because summertime children, I think you have noticed everybody that summertime the temperature of the northern hemisphere is become very high because we are having summer season. Okay, due to the high temperature, what is happening? The air gets heated and it is goes up. Whenever we know that whenever gets heated air, that time it will be having very low pressure. Okay, which if there any places are will be, suppose in a greater extent all over Indian subcontinent is having this type of low pressure zone, it creates. Okay, so it has to, no places should not be vacant. So wind, what is the tendency of the wind? It will come and occupy. So cold wind have to come and occupy. How it will come? From the southern hemisphere, that time it will be winter. Okay, so from the southern hemisphere one type of cold wind will come and it will just after entering to the equator, it will come to occupy the place. Okay, so after entering to equator, as according to Coriolis force and as according to Farrell's law, what will happen? Northern hemisphere is turned to right hand side and southern hemisphere it will turn to left hand side. Okay, so northern hemisphere right hand side it has been turned like a angular wise and it will enter to India. Then it will divide into two branches. What are the two branches are there? One will be go through the Arabian Sea, another will be go through the Bay of Bengal children. Okay, accordingly it has been also named. There are some factors are responsible. Now we will learn that only. This is the basic thing of just onset of monsoon. Onset of monsoon means children, whenever monsoon has been arrived in India. The monsoon are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20° north and 20° south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoon, the following factors are important, or following facts are important. First, I have just now told, the differential heating and cooling of the land and water. It creates low pressure on the landmass of India while the seas around experiences comparatively. Acha children, another thing I need to mention you, wherever from the southern hemisphere the winds will come, the air masses will come, that time it is travel through the waterways. Okay, whenever it will travel through the water bodies, what will happen? It is collecting moisture, heavy amount of moisture it is collecting, and it will be bringing rainfall to our country for 3 to 4 months. Okay children, next I will tell you the shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone. This is also a reason why in summer over the Ganga plain, the position of this type of equatorial belt normally positions around 5 degree north and 5 degree south. It is also known that monsoon trough during the monsoon season. What will happen? Acha children, just like as I think you have also just noticed, in the summertime and in the winter time, little quite difference in the angle of the sun rays. How I will tell you, because in the summer days, in which side sun is rising and sun is setting, that angles of your house, it's quite different in the winter time. Little differences will be there. Suppose corner wise or angular wise, we cannot able to measure it also, we cannot able to notice it also. So this is also a reason for means coming of the monsoon, right? So we know that intertropical convergence zone means trade winds are coming and it is just converging to each other. And also, what type of winds are converging over here? Due to the Coriolis forces, whatever winds are there already present in equatorial region, that is coming deflected. So these two winds are coming and joining to each other. So that will be sometimes created the differences, and this little shifting also can be seen. Third reason is what? The percentage of high pressure area east of Madagascar, approximately 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensely positions of the high pressure area affects Indian monsoon. That is also some cases affects. Madagascar means the African continent. It is also somehow it has been occupied. From there it has been locally also formation will be there of that this type of low pressures. That's why it also can be varies. Next, the Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during the summer. Children, have you noticed that wherever Tibetan plateau, our head, it means that after Himalaya there will be Tibetan plateau. Okay, so that we are also knowing it Pami North. Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during the summer, which results in strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau and above 9 kilometers above the sea level. Here also same thing is available. What is happening in the this type of your Tibetan plateau, its temperature is very high. So if temperature will be very high, air will go uprise, and that time only the cold air will come. It will just attract the cold wind, and due to that also 9 kilometer long and broad also, this is also a reason for monsoon wind come. Okay, due to that this type of attraction. Next, the movement of the westerly jet stream. I have told already children, easterly and westerly winds and westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas, and the presence of tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during the summer. Tropical India is a tropical country, so jet stream easterly and westerly both are present over here. Okay, so this also to be a reason which is just attracting monsoon winds to come. Okay, now I will tell you the intertropical convergence zone. What is that? The tropic of it is a broad trough means the boundary, okay, of low pressure is the equatorial latitudes. This is where the northeast and the southeast trade winds converges. I have already told trade winds are having two branches. One is coming from northern hemisphere, another will be coming from southern hemisphere. These two are coming and converging over here, and less parallel to the equator but moves north or south with the apparent movement of the sun. Some cases what is happening due to with the help of the sun only, na children, some cases it is moving. I have told now already in the winter and summer days, so like that way only it is just also moving, right? Now I will tell you, apart from this, it has also been noticed that the changes of the pressure conditions over the southern oceans also affect the monsoon. Pressure conditions of the southern ocean. Southern ocean means southern hemisphere oceans. Okay. Normally when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experiences high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experiences low pressure. Definitely because of seasonal differences in there. That is the main reason. Okay. But in certain years, there is a reversal of the pressure conditions, and Eastern Pacific has lower pressure in the comparison of the Eastern Indian Ocean. Definitely, wherever there will be more low pressures, it will attract the air. The periodic changes of the pressure conditions known as Acha, this changes also, little changes of the pressure conditions. Reversal means the opposite direction. This type of wind conditions changes are also called as southern oscillations or SO. Children, underline that. What is that? It means that southern Pacific Ocean, some cases it's getting more low pressure than Indian subcontinent. So that is also, this type of situation is called southern oscillations or SO, right? The differences between the pressure over Tahiti Pacific Ocean 80 degrees south and Darwin in northern Australia is computed to predict the intensity of the monsoon. The pressure differences were negative. It would mean below average of the monsoon. A feature connected with SO is El Nino phenomena, in which the warm ocean currents are that flow past Peruvian coast. Acha, Peruvian coast, children, I need to tell you that Peruvian coast it's in the southern oscillations. It is also a part just Peru. Southern hemisphere, in southern America it is located. So Peru, Chile, all these type of in the coast of Peru, one type of specific warm current is flowing. What is the name of that? El Nino. Okay, in the place of cold Peruvian current. Acha, it is reversal due to the seasonal reversal, due to the different reasons. What is happening? It should be cold wind, but due to this type of SO activity, reversal activity, I have told na, so there will be warm current are coming. What is the warm current name? It is called El Nino. In place of cold Peruvian current, every 2 to 5 years, it is never always not coming. In 2 to 5 years there will be a changes will seen. The changes of the pressure conditions connected to El Nino. Hence the phenomena is referred to ENSO. This full phenomena which is happening 2 to 5 years interval, it's called ENSO. El Nino southern oscillations. Both are mixed. It is called ENSO. Underline, children, what is that? Today up to here, children. Next day I will teach you more. Okay, otherwise you will not able to digest only. Then I will start the monsoon and withdrawal, everything, right? Then we will start the seasons. Thank you, children, for that time. Bye everyone. Bye, children.